Hello everyone, back again with another LeetCode video. In this problem we will solve question 1389, create target array in the given order from LeetCode in JavaScript. So this question is a bit of a tongue twister. Let's see what this says. We are given two array of integers, one is nums and one is index, and our task is to create a target array under these three rules. First rule is the initial target array is empty. Okay. Second rule is from left to right we need to read both the arrays nums and index, and at an index I, this is a bit confusing, so at particular index where this is index I, we need to return the value that is nums I in the target array, and we need to repeat the previous step until there are no elements to read in nums and index. So now what this says is, let's go to the scratchpad first. So we have two arrays, one is index, again very poorly named index, and another is nums. Now for every I, the index would be index I, so index would be index I, and in the target array at this position, so now this becomes our new index. In the target, let's say t, in the t array at this position the value would be nums I. So this is the relation. Let's write a bit cleanly here. So let's say t index I equal to nums I. So now once you have come to this conclusion, this relation, it becomes a bit easier, but the third condition makes it more tricky. So the third condition says that repeat the previous step until there are no elements to read in nums and index. Now look at this problem, look at this example. Nums is this, index is this, and we need to find the target array. So first target array is empty. So let's go ahead and declare empty array. So let's say I have an empty array here. Now for I equal to 0, index I, that is index 0, the value would be 0. Okay, we insert 0 here. Now for I equal to 1, index I is 1, the value would be 1. That's fine. Now for I equal to 2, index I is 2, value is 2. So far so good. Now for I equal to 3, index I is 2 and the value is 3. So now we have to insert 3 at position 2, but we already have something at position 2. So what we'll do, we'll insert 3 here and we'll push the 2 back. So whenever you are getting an index by index I, you need to replace, or you need to move the left half and the right half outwards and put the new value at the particular index. So this makes it a bit tricky, but the solution is pretty simple. What we will do, we will loop over the index array, and for each value in the index array we will put the numbers in that particular index. So what I'm trying to say is, let's go here. It's a bit tricky, that's all. Go down. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is, we loop over index array. So the array was 0, 1, 2, 2, 4. So we loop over this array, and for each index, so let's say if this is the index, we'll have our target array. We'll split the target array into two parts. One is left and another is right, and we will insert our nums, this particular index, sorry, the original index I, here. So the index I would be here with 0, here it would be 1, here would be 2, and so on. So what we will do, we will split based on this index, that is 0, 1, 2, and here we would insert based on the actual index. So let's go ahead and implement this. It's a bit of a tongue twister or a bit confusing, but once you see the solution, it's pretty simple and straightforward. So I'll use reduce here to loop over our index array. Now once we use reduce, we can have a function here which will return something, and it takes our initial value. Our initial value can be an empty array. Okay. Now we will break our array into two parts and insert the number inside. So first we will take the parameters we reduce, or we will declare those parameters. First is our accumulator, which is the empty array. Next is our actual element of the index array, and third is the index. So let's say in this case 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the value would be 0, 1, 2, 2, 1. Now we will split based on this element, the actual element, and we will put the nums value based on this index. But according to the question, both the index are same, so we will split based on this and we will insert based on this. Let's go ahead and do that. I am using split operator and slice to split our array from 0 to the element, and then I will insert the nums value or value index idx in the nums array, and then I will split the right half. Again a split, and we will split based on the element in the index array. So I know it's a bit confusing, but I think this would work. Okay, something's wrong here. Oops. Yeah. Okay, try and submit it. Okay, it works. I agree it's a bit confusing. You can read the blog link in the description below, which will help you understand more detail, and definitely leave a comment down below if you want more explanation or if you need any help in this. But this is it for this one, guys. Stay tuned and I'll see you around in the next one. Thank you.